When it comes to finding reliable and experienced surveyors in Palam Vihar, SCON Design is the name that stands out. With their years of expertise in the field, they have established themselves as one of the leading surveying firms in the area. Their team of highly skilled professionals is dedicated to providing accurate and precise surveying services to their clients. SCON Design understands the importance of surveying in various industries, whether it be construction, real estate, or land development. They offer a wide range of surveying services, including topographic surveys, boundary surveys, and construction staking. No matter the size or complexity of the project, their surveyors in Palam Vihar have the knowledge and experience to handle it with utmost precision. What sets SCON Design apart from other surveying firms in Palam Vihar is their commitment to excellence and attention to detail. They understand that accurate surveying is crucial for the success of any project, and they go above and beyond to ensure that their clients receive the highest quality of service. Their surveyors use state-of-the-art equipment and technology to gather data and produce detailed survey reports. Another reason why SCON Design is the preferred choice for surveyors in Palam Vihar is their ability to deliver projects on time and within budget. They understand that time is of the essence in any project, and delays can be costly. That's why they work efficiently and diligently to complete surveys in a timely manner without compromising on accuracy. SCON Design takes pride in building long-lasting relationships with their clients. They believe in open communication and collaboration throughout the surveying process. Whether it's a topographic survey, boundary survey, or construction staking, their team of skilled professionals is dedicated to providing accurate and precise surveying services to their clients. SCON Design is the name that shines out while searching for reputable and knowledgeable surveyors in Palam Vihar. They have made a name for themselves as one of the top surveying companies in the region, thanks to their years of experience in the industry. Their team of highly qualified experts is committed to offering their clients exact and accurate surveying services. SCON Design is aware of the value of surveying in a variety of fields, including land development, real estate, and construction. They provide a variety of surveying services, such as construction staking, boundary surveys, and topographic surveys. Their surveyors in Palam Vihar have the training and experience to manage any project, regardless of its size or complexity, with the utmost accuracy. SCON Design's dedication to excellence and focus on detail sets them apart from other surveying companies in Palam Vihar. They go above and above to guarantee that their clients receive the greatest level of service, since they are aware that precise surveying is essential for the success of any project. Their surveyors gather information and create thorough survey reports using cutting-edge tools and technology. SCON Design's capacity to complete projects on schedule and on budget makes them the go-to option for surveyors in Palam Vihar. They are aware that delays may be expensive